So I bought this 6-inch buffer from Harbor Freight, and this is my first time using it, but I was trying to get some of these bike parts and motorcycle parts cleaned up a little bit. So I want to show you how I did this seat post. So you notice down here at the bottom, the part that goes inside the bike frame, it's pretty dull. I didn't polish that bottom part there just because I figured it's going to be inside the tube, and it's gonna probably get some grease on it and stuff anyway to be in there. But check out down here. So maybe a little hard to see in the camera, but that polished up pretty nice. The whole thing basically looked like the end here, kind of dull. So the way I did that was, first I used this little more aggressive buffing pad that's stitched, a little bit tighter woven. And then I used one of these loose ones that doesn't have the stitching. And what you do is you put this polishing compound. So there's different ones. There's this one's for a loose buffing pad. Loose leaf buff. So it's just a little stick of stuff in here. So you just turn this on, stick that up against there, and let it come off on there. But it worked pretty good on the seat post. I tried doing this crank, and this thing just isn't shining up too good, but it does look a lot better than before. So get yourself one of these buffers if you've never tried one. I don't remember what this cost, but it wasn't too bad. And then you can also put some wire wheels and stuff on here too. So one of these brass ones, these aren't as aggressive as the steel. So I did use this on the dirt bike handlebars on here, and these had a lot of rust like up underneath that little joint there at that weld. So this cleaned it up pretty good, but these are not coming. I haven't put these on the loose buffer yet. This was on the stitched one, but these things are looking better, but they're not perfect. They're 42 years old, and that bike was in pretty rough shape. So something to think about. Try a buffer. All right, so we got the Kawasaki handlebars here. I just shined these up on the little buffing wheel. So this is just a Harbor Freight 6-inch buffer, and using the stitched wheel here and then the loose one here, along with a little bit of steel wool, some chrome polish, and polishing compound, we got her to look better, a lot better. We might put a pad up here on the top, so that might cover some up. You're gonna have grips. One end of these is really in bad shape here, but that'll all be covered up. So it's not perfect for being 42 years old. It's not bad. This little area by the weld there was pretty bad, but I might not even use these bars, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But got a little bit of shine on those.